Do not sleep on Trader Joe's. They got some amazing plants. Seriously, you gotta check it out. Hey guys, Noah here. Today I have a really fun video. It is gonna be my Trader Joe's plant haul, and I didn't realize that Trader Joe's has amazing plants until recently. I always go there for food and groceries and stuff like that, but I just found out that they have this amazing plant section that they restock and put different kinds of plants out all the time. One hard thing about it that I will say is they don't normally label their plants. They'll just say like assorted house plants, or like, can't remember exactly what it was, but it'll just say like assorted ferns or assorted whatever, and you kind of have to figure it out on your own. But I do have this app that I just snap a picture of the plant and it tells me the name, what kind of care it needs, what kind of light it needs, everything like that. So I'm not too worried about that, and I kind of have been doing research on my own about plants, so I kind of know just by looking at them, some of them anyways, what they are. So I want to share with you guys what I got. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plants from Trader Joe's, plus a bunch of other little like succulents that I'll show you as well at the end of the video. I lied, I actually have 9 plants. One of them is somewhere else. I'm trying to figure out where I need to move her, so let me go grab her real quick. So this one is like my favorite find from Trader Joe's. I actually have this nursery near my house, and I walked over there to buy this plant, but it was like $45, or like, I can't remember, I think it was either $35 or $45, but I found it at Trader Joe's for $5.99, and she's just so beautiful. She's a caladium. Let me give you guys a close-up. She's so beautiful. Do you see that? Like how she has dark green spots on the outside. She's got these beautiful pink veins. So I'm absolutely obsessed with her. I'm trying to figure out where in my house. I'm kind of playing musical chairs with her right now because a few of her leaves were dying. I don't know if you can see the ones down there. They're yellowing. I even have like dead leaves in the pot. So I wasn't sure what her deal is. But I think I wasn't giving her enough sunlight. I moved her to my window and she started perking up and doing a lot better. So I'm really excited about her. I just have to figure out where to place her. That's why she's still in the nursery pot. I haven't quite figured it out yet. But yeah, she's like my beautiful treasure that I found at Trader Joe's. Like, I can't believe Trader Joe's had this. And also when I did find it, there was like a lady looking at some plants, and this was like underneath her, and I had to be like, excuse me, and I quickly grabbed it because it was the only one there. There was no other caladiums there. So I definitely went out of my way to pick her up, and I'm so happy that I did. She's gorgeous. So the next one I got is this Philodendron. I believe it's a Selim. It looks like this. I just thought she was so gorgeous with how her leaves were. And when I found her, she had new ones rolling out. Like, this is a brand new one. She actually has a new one rolling out right here. So she looked very, very healthy. This was like, let's wait for that to finish. Another curfew tonight. Okay, so she was super, super healthy when I found her, and that was kind of one of the things that encouraged me to take her. I also don't have any philodendrons, but like, surprisingly, they're so easy to care for. I'm just kind of waiting to make sure she's healthy before I repot her, because this is the pot she came in from Trader Joe's, and it's not my style. I'm not a fan of it, and she was more expensive since she is like larger. It was $9.99. So yeah, that's her. The next one I got is this Peperomia Apulia, and she's really cute because she's got big rubbery leaves up here. She's also known as like the rubber plant, and she's so cute. She does have some new growth right here. She's got a little baby leaf. There's a little close-up. I really love her, and I've heard that she's super easy to take care of. I don't know why I keep saying she. I feel like all my plants are she's, so sorry. But people always say that they're really easy to take care of, and I think maybe she's getting too much sunlight, and she does have some browning on her leaves, so I may have to move her to a more like indirect sunlight spot in my house. So I'm still waiting to see how she does. She actually came in this pink pot. It's like, I think it's ceramic pot from Trader Joe's, still $5.99. So she's in a nursery pot, but then they give you this pot, and 2 of my plants came like that. They were like the smaller ones. So yeah, I just thought that was so cool because this is definitely my like style and aesthetic and look and everything, this beautiful like pale pink pot. So yeah, she's really cute. Hopefully she does well. I gotta look up like how much sunlight they really need. So if you know, let me know. So the next one is my Schefflera. She was so cute to me because of her size. It's so small, and I looked it up and it's like considered a dwarf umbrella plant. So I really like her. I actually originally wanted to get a big one, but when I saw this one, I just thought she was so cute. She's got a ton of new growth. That's the thing about the Trader Joe's plants, is they all had so much new growth and they were all doing really well. That really surprised me. So I don't know if this one's gonna get big and be like a big tree-like plant. Let me know if you know, or if this one just always stays dwarfed. Still in the nursery pot. I just don't have anything cute to put it in yet, but I will definitely find something because I just love, like, look at that. That is so beautiful. She's so cute. Love her. The next one is my Dieffenbachia that I found there, and I don't even know why I got one of these. Like, I just thought her coloring was really nice. I heard that these are poisonous if you swallow, like, I don't even know, but they could be poisonous, and they're also called dumb cane because they block up your airways if you eat it or something and make you dumb. And I guess they could kill you. Honestly, I don't know. But I don't know why I got it. I just thought it was super cute, and for $5.99 I couldn't pass it up. It does have some dead leaves that it came with on the bottom here, so I'm just waiting to see how it does before I transplant it as well. But yeah, like, look at that coloring. Like, I feel like it would just be really cute display background type plant. So yeah, I thought this one was cute. The next one, I have to like go grab it because it's really, really big. I repotted it. Let me go grab her. Oh, man. So this is my Monstera Deliciosa. She's so cute. She actually came in that same size like nursery pot that all the other ones are in. You know what, maybe this one was $9.99 too. I can't remember. I kind of think it was, yeah, it had to be $9.99 because it was one of the bigger ones. But this leaf is so beautiful with the cutouts, and the other ones don't have it yet. This leaf she just unrolled like today. It's so gorgeous. And I actually see a ton of new growth coming in. Like, there's a new, let me see if I could show you guys. There's a new leaf coming right here. So yeah, I'm just so excited about her. I got a Monstera Edisoni, and I really wanted the Deliciosa, so I went and found this at Trader Joe's. I put her in this big pot hoping that she grows big, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, so far she's doing really well. I think I need to water her, but I have had her for like a month. So yeah, she's doing really well, and I can't believe this was at Trader Joe's. Like, are you serious? For $10? Can't beat that. So the next one is my Chlorophytum or spider plant, and I really like this one because of how like droopy and tiny it was. Like, I feel like I usually see these and they're a lot bigger. I guess they're really fast growers. The same thing, it came in like a nursery pot, and then it came in this also beautiful like baby blue ceramic pot, and I'm really into like light baby blue, like baby color, pastel color stuff, so it really fit my aesthetic. And some of these leaves have really, really dark green on them, and some of them have really, really light green. So I just love the way it looked. A ton of new growth coming in as well, so I heard these get really big, so I may have to find a bigger pot for it at some point. But I have her hanging in my living room. I'll insert a picture, but it just looks so cute with all the beautiful leaves hanging out, so I just really like the look of this one. So the next one I got, I did repot already, so let me grab her. So this is my Spathiphyllum, I hope I'm saying that right, or peace lily. I really liked her because I think she's like a variegated peace lily. I can't believe Trader Joe's had this. I have a regular peace lily in my bedroom, and she's been doing great in there. And then I saw this one and I was like, do I really need 2 peace lilies? But then I was like, the color on this one, it's just so beautiful. Look at that. I've seen variegated peace lilies, but I feel like most people just have the original. And then another thing is all these new beautiful leaves. Like, I just got her 2 weeks ago, and she has so many new leaves that are about to unroll. And it's just, the fact that Trader Joe's plants are this healthy just baffles my mind for how cheap they are. $5.99. I mean, and I got this super cute pot that I put her in. She's thriving. I have her near my window, and she's just getting a ton of sunlight, and you know, she's drinking up her water very fast, so she's adorable. Look at that. The last plant I got, it's kind of one of my favorites. It's a cretin break. I hope I'm saying that correctly. It's a type of fern, and I have to like show you guys this one because I really love the leaves. But do you see that? It's like, almost looks like rippled, or I don't know, it's just something about this. And then also the fact that they have these new baby growths, like they're so tiny and they're coming out. Yeah, this one was one of my favorites. It did come in one of the nursery pots, and I replanted it in this planter because it was just doing so well. I didn't feel the need to keep her in the nursery pot for too long. I have had her for like a month, and I just replanted her a couple days ago, so she's just been doing well in front of my window hanging. She just looks beautiful, and I just love this one. I hope that it gets like more full and more bushy. I think that would look so cute. And I have her hanging low because she doesn't look amazing like from the underside. She really looks good like up top. So I have her hanging low. So yeah, I'll insert the picture again so you could see. But yeah, she's so adorable. Hey guys, I totally forgot to share with you the cacti that I bought at Trader Joe's, but these were all $1.99, if you can believe that. I have them displayed here behind my TV, and I just think it looks so cute. Here is my Trader Joe's plants that I keep near the window. But let me share with you guys these cacti. This one is so cute. It's flowering already, if you can see that. I'm so excited to see how the flowers look, and I just think it's so cute. This one I absolutely love because it's like a traditional cactus, or what I think of when I think of a cactus, and I love how there's so many in there. I just thought that was so cool. This one is so short and cute. I love how like green it is. I just think it's so cute. This one is so colorful, I could not pass it up, and I actually have a funny story about this. I dropped it, and I think it was right there. If you could see, a little piece fell off, and my son ate it. He thought it was candy. Luckily, this one is not sharp, so it didn't hurt him, but it was still pretty scary when I first found out. This next one is also like a traditional cactus. It's leaning a little bit, and I think it's because of the transportation in my car. I think it was like up against something, but I still think it's so cute. And this one is like my scary little guy. He's super spiky. I'm scared to even try to touch him, but I just thought he was so cute. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys these guys. Hope you enjoyed. Alright guys, so that's the end of my Trader Joe's plant haul. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please take a few minutes to subscribe to my channel down below. I have so much fun content coming for you guys. I'm obsessed with plants, I'm obsessed with makeup, I'm obsessed with fashion. I kind of do it all. I vlog, I do food videos, so you're not going to be disappointed. I also will insert my Instagram down below. I do post a lot of really like fun content on my Instagram that you guys kind of get to see before I post it on YouTube. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen all these plants already before the video came out, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. And with that all being said, I really appreciate you guys giving me the time and watching my video. With all the craziness going on in the world, I really think it's important to have an outlet, and this is a really fun one for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.